The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
We've come to the end of Group D, where CAF Confederations Cup. Kaizer Chiefs are out of the CAF Confederations Cup yalonyaka ka 2025-2026 emveni kokuhluleka ke Egypt betho ke iZamalek. 2 times winners the CAF Confederations Cup, 5 times winners the CAF Champions League up against the Kaizer Chiefs, the former winners the Cup Winners' Cup. Now, bekuhluleke nje amaphepha. Earlier on, we were talking about CAF Champions League, the biggest sport, African football, and some people were wearing yellow. Now we're talking about the CAF Confederations Cup, and some people are wearing black. Now, Bobsin, black and white and blue and yellow. Mhlobo munjani?
Shane ngiyaphila mnganami.
Are you okay?
Ngishaphi mnganami ngishaphi. Ngiyakubona ukuthi ufuna ngikubongise Shane noma singekho lapho kule game yakho. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates Shane.
Bobsin,
we
are talking CAF football.
Sikhuluma nge-CAF, mawukhuluma nge-Black ukhuluma ngani kanti? Wayicindezela igama le-CAF.
We're talking about the CAF football.
Okay, uBlack ungenaphi Shane?
Bobsin, come on, man. come on. Okay, Bobsin, masingene kuyo mhlobami, masingene kuyo i-CAF Confederations Cup.
Yeah.
Now, basically discuss throughout the week.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs was sitting on top of their table. I'm sure there were so many people who saw the log. Abanye, they didn't even watch football this past weekend. Some will be Monday, guys and qualifying, they won't believe because they were on top with 10 points. Now Zamalek are through, Al Masry are through, Kaizer Chiefs, Zesco, they are out. It took in London before setting a game. It took for Kaizer Chiefs this season, yabo.
Yeah.
Because now, 2 weeks back, they were knocked out of the Nedbank Cup. Now, Kleveki, they are knocked out of the CAF Confederations Cup. It took for this season, the Kaizer Chiefs.
All right, Shane. Ngena kulela point lokuthi abanye mhlambe bangafika kulelanga namhlanje banga understanding. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uMestenke Monday uyibeke yacaca lento. Why explainer ngenye indlela beyingadingi ukuthi umuntu angayitolika lento le ukuthi kuleya table kwenzakalani. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi umuntu understandayo nomuntu ofollow iDiski TV umuzwe kahle uMestenke ukuthi iChiefs idinga idraw, idinga iwin ukuze ukuthi qualify. If izoluza then iAl Masry iyawina. iChiefs ibase be understand ibase inkingeni and iAl Masry iwina ngama game out amagoli awu2 ukuya ngale goal different izoyishayaiteam efana neChiefs against iAl Masry ezoba balingana ngama point, you understand. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Shane lo mbuzo ongibuza wona kulula kukholula for iKaizer Chiefs iphumile manje ku Nedbank njengoba usho iphumile manje ku team efana ku competition efana neConfed. So now ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuphuma kweChiefs kuConfed ipressure kuMamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates go Betway because now Kaizer Chiefs must win something and remember they're still going to play lama team lawo ngitshela ngawo number 1 no number 2. So kusho kona ukuthi kuphuma kweKaizer Chiefs ipressure kwamanye ama team because uma kudlala lama teams sikhuluma ngama A game angeke umane uthi kuyoba lula against a team efana neKaizer Chiefs. So but uma ungayibheka side in the Kaizer Chiefs I think they tried very hard wena Shane uma ungabheka ukuthi bafike la bakhona uma ungathi ubheka futhi nangendlela mhlawumbe baphume ngakhona kuleya group baphuma ngegoal different bona ne position 2. So for me I think azange babe nenhlanhla but they played very well wena Shane ukuthi bafike la bakhona ukwazi ukuthi baphume kuma group stages but angisho ukuthi kuyinto enhle but bengifisa ukuthi Chiefs ngabe mhlawumbe ingenile kuma knockout the way ngibone the way ichamuke ngakhona iKaizer Chiefs ipromise ukuthi they can qualify for ama knockout I mean kuma quarter finals.
Do you think it disappointment yabo enkulu Bobsin is the fact ukuthi baphumile this week or it disappointment yabo was that they should have wrapped up yonke lento last week ePolokwane?
Last week ePolokwane Shane bekumele bayiqedelele lento if bebane chance because bonile bebanawo ama chances ukuthi they can score 3 or 4 goals. If bebayikorile igoal les 3 namhlanje ngabe sikhuluma kungenye into because beba already ba qualified ngale goal different mhlawumbe lesibona bebabe nayo abelicembu leKaizer Chiefs Jane.
Now let's dive into the game Bobzin. Umdlalo wona namhlanje ubone njani?
Yeah. Shane, the first 5 minutes ile pressure iChiefs ngicabanga ukuthi ikwazile ukuyiabsorb because if ufuna idraw away uma ungakhona ukuconcentrate kule first 5 minutes I think uzokhona ukunderstand ukuthi kumele ngidlale kanjani. Unfortunately Zamalek ibonisile ukuthi yona idlale ekhaya Shane.
Yeah.
Ibonisile ukuthi idlale ekhaya after lapho ifunile ukuyithatha igame even though iKaizer Chiefs were trying uma ungabheka abadlali abafana nabo Mabuye ukuthi no siyafuna ukuyicontrola leya game. But iZamalek beyingenhla uma ungabheka the way beyifuna iwin ngakhona. Kunabadlali ngikhuluma ngama individual players bana lento Shane mhlawumbe oyibena le quality abanayo uya understand. Beka amagoli abawakorile Shane. Beka igol number 1. Goal number 1 uyabona ukuthi kube ne mistake kule defense Chiefs ayizange ibe enhle ayizange ibe organized. Lose concentration. Hamba uyobheka lo mdlali o deliver le cross. Upress ulandwe badlala bawu3. No one on presser closer down ukuthi anga deliver cross. And bazi ukuthi bonke the two center back balose position la khona bekumele ukuthi njengoba sonke silose position yini into bebayenza abazange bafuna ukuyopressa lo yamdlali including noMarco even though imshayile leya play because yila khona sibona uMonyane azodropa ufika late kulo yamdlali ibhola selifike eboxini eli cross kulo yamjida give credit but I defense Kaizer Chiefs ngiyacabanga ukuthi ayizange lapha wena Shane ibe organize ibe late kahle so ngiyacabanga ukuthi the lack of concentration kwilimaze kakhulu lapha I defense Kaizer Chiefs. Goal number 2 mawungabheka yes uMabuye he played very well Shane but la luze khona lela bhola ngihlala ngisho ngithi akusiyo iarea yokuluza ibhola Shane ungawa counter bemaningi amagoli amaningi
well experienced team like iZamalek.
We understand that. Remember uAlende uma badlala neAl Hilal uluze ibhola kuleya position baba punisher uTeps uma badlala nabo Dortmund uluze iposition ngihlala ngisho le namhlanje Zesco hamba uyobheka goal number 2 la iconsider khona iluze iball position kuleya area it's dangerous because umdlalo ukutarget wena Shane.
So now we are gliding. We are discussing CAF Champions League. Now you are reminding us ukuthi when you played Club World Cup.
Shane, ngicela ungiyeke ngicede umnganami. So, uma ungayibheka wena Shane, lento engikutshela yona ukuluza ibhola. Umabuye bebampressile mngani wami. Angifuni ukukutshela manga there was no chance just that ngoba scanning siye samshaya ukuthi abone ukuthi labadlali bayingaki. There were 3 lamajita. We understand. So kusho wona ukuthi le pressing enzwe iZamalek kube difficult for uMabuye ukuthi angakwazi ukuphuma ngalela bhola. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ubuhlangani bale team the way ngibona bane quality ngakhona nabo bebaleke emuva Shane kunala ubona khona le goal ekoroli lepo ukora kuba defender awu4 you understand good give credit kulilepo ukuthi ajump kulabo abadlali akwazi ukuheada lela bhola so kuyakubonisa ukuthi sometimes nabo banama mistake but awukwazi ukcapitalize kulawo ma mistake wabo because uleka le attack abo Silva beba out uma ungayibheka kuleya team yeKaizer Chiefs and ngapha awuzange ukhuphuke ngama wing back wakho today because uyazi ukuthi usifunela idraw or iwin ungabheka uMonyane nomdlalo ofana noMarco bebangakhuphuki but sekuyodingana kuyodinga uModi kudinge uLilepo to go and join umdlalo ofana noSilva if you need something but both of them kumele babuye bazo defender ba assist laba abadlali abadlala laba ma wing back you understand.
Bobzin yazi umbuzo endiza kubuza wona next based on the results ze CAF Champions League there was a situation last week where 2 times or 3 times champions the CAF Champions League Esperance they fired their coach. They were playing a very important game namhlanje ukubona kaMucheka they were trailing kwiPetro de Luanda I think ubazi ngcono kunami
no
but xa njonga log they are on 9 points they finished second on the log. Kaizer Chiefs Bobzin are in a situation where kuzo zonke icup bedlala this season singayibali M28 because they finished 9th last season but Carling Nedbank now iCAF Confederations Cup la decision ithathwe yiEsperance ukuthi bagxotha ucoach midway through iCAF group stages zabo. Do you think management yeKaizer Chiefs ngalo umzuzu they should allow the two head coaches to continue, okanye mhlawumbe they should take a drastic decision midway through their season, because remember nabo badlale 15 games kwi-Betway Premiership, kushiyekele 15 games.
Yeah.
What sort of a decision oyicinga ukuthi mhlawumbe management eKaizer Chiefs should take at this point in time?
Yeah, I think, Shane, let them finish the season, Shane, because it's a win and lose.
Yeah.
Ungabaxosha uthi manje abahambe kune 15 games. I-Chiefs iphume top 8. Ungabaxosha abuye ucoach athathe league. So it's a 50-50. Kuya ngokuthi mina lento ngibheka ngeliso lokuba mhlawumbe analyst.
Yeah.
But i-management kunento ebhekile mina engayiboni.
Yeah.
So maybe i-management kunento ebhekile ukuthi okay mhlawumbe sinomqeqeshi esingamthola next season. But for now, because asinamqeqeshi, let them finish the season. Then siyazi ukuthi season uma iphela siyosayina a new coach ozoza atake over kuleli qembu leKaizer Chiefs. That is why ngithi lento say depend kule management ukuthi yona iplay yini into eyibonayo thina esingayiboni. But for me now angiboni ukuthi ungaba naso leso sidingo sokuthi ungama, because some of the players abadlalayo manje the new coach umafika bazohlala ebenchini and sizoba frustrated singabalandeli sithi ubani bekadlala kahle why umbeke ebenchini, because bo coach abana philosophy efanayo wena Shane, you understand. So mina for me ngiyacabanga ukuthi bangayicedelela le season. Baningi ama team engibona ngathi badinga ukuthi babayeka bo coach bacedelela le season. It's either mangabe sometimes uyabona ukuthi i-team yahamba ya ku relegation, yila ama team engibona ngathi yila bafosteleka khona ukuthi they must save lesser status. But for now, because kuseli league and you know ukuthi league it's not easy go wonke umuntu okhona lapha kuleya top 5 ukuthi ungamani uthi it's a walk over. You understand? So you can just give them a chance bacedelele le season chain.
Bobson, thank you so much for your analysis. Bobo, our analysis, I'm an analyst at iDiski TV. Bese thatha ngalo mdlalo kweKaizer Chiefs. Nalapho kweKaizer Chiefs lose khona ke ngo-2-1 against iZamalek. Zamalek 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.